Welcome. My name is Daniel Thomas and I will be navigating you through Southwest Trader's free online ordering website. This is part 1 to a 4-part tutorial. In this tutorial we will be reviewing how to place a new order through Southwest Trader's online system. The other tutorials that we offer will cover off on how to revise an existing order, review credits and your purchase history, as well as the customer inquiry and company information section for our online site. Now first off, you're going to start by selecting your web browser. In this tutorial I'm going to be using Firefox, but you can also use Internet Explorer. Now one that you want to stay away from is Google Chrome. It does have issues with our online ordering software. Now once your browser is open, you're going to select the URL at the top and you're going to enter Southwest Trader's online ordering website, which is www.southwesttraders.com. Once you've made it to the site, you're going to enter your user ID, which is your Southwest Trader's customer number, and your assigned password. If you don't know your user ID or your Southwest Trader's customer number and password, reach out to your customer service representative so that they can get that information for you. So after you've entered the information here, just go ahead and select the login button. Which pulls up a welcome screen here. Now on the screen, just go ahead and validate your Southwest Trader's customer number over here on the left side, and your customer name, and then hit the continue button. Now that you're on the main menu, you can see that you have numerous selections here, from placing an order, company information, your last sales history, purchase history, sales order status, and customer inquiry. First, we're going to start out by placing an order. Now when the next page appears, you're going to see numerous bits of information. On the left side, you're going to see the date required, which this is your invoice and or delivery date for this order that we're going to be placing here. On the right side, you're going to see number of cases, which when we go through and place our order, this will total up the number of cases that we're placing on this order. If you scroll down, it'll list out your entire menu that is available through Southwest Trader's, broken down by categories. For example, at the top of this we have chemicals, below that coffee, and below that dairy, ice cream, and at the top you can see the column headers listed here as description, quantity on hand, which shows you Southwest Trader's current on-hand quantity for each specific item listed on your menu, quantity available, which is what we currently have available to ship to your stores. It lists your price for that item, price unit, which is the unit of measure for that item. For this specific item it is case, and the item below is an each. The next column is quantity to order, which is where you're going to be entering the number of units that you wish to order. You have the order button here, which every single one of these buttons do exactly the same thing. Once you select these, it'll move these quantities you entered here, it'll move them over into the quantity ordered column here, which is where you're able to review every single item that you chose to order, just to ensure that you have everything listed on here correctly. Now if you notice in the description of these items, we actually list out our Southwest Trader's item number to the left side of the description, and then you can see that this top item is Clorox Liquid Germ Bleach. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and place an order. Now when I'm placing these orders, notice that I'm going to go ahead and check the quantity available for these items when I'm placing these orders. So I'm going to go ahead and enter 5 there. I'm going to enter 12 here. just that one more item. Now when you've completed your order, you're going to select any one of these order buttons. Now the screen's going to reload, and if you scroll down, it's going to move all of those quantities that I had entered here to the far right column in quantity ordered. And then also you're going to see the number of cases here. It totals that up to 241 cases. So after you go ahead and validate your order, you're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the page, and you're going to select Item Selection Complete, Continue with Order. Now this is your sales order review screen, which just breaks out only the specific items that you wish to order. You'll see your sales order number, which shows temporary, because at this point the order is still in pending status. We have not received your order as of yet, and won't until you hit the Submit Order button here. But from this screen, you're just going to verify all the information and make sure everything's accurate. You're going to have your subtotal, your charges, sales tax, total, the date required, which that is your invoice and or delivery date, and then you're going to show the ship to, which will be your ship to address. And then from this point, you can either add additional items or submit the order. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and go back and add a couple more items to this order. It kicks you back to the previous screen where you can go and revise any of the items that you ordered previously, or add a couple more new items. I'm going to do both. I'm going to go ahead and add 3, and then I'm going to change this 5 to only 1 case. Now just keep in mind that when you're placing this, this number replaces your existing order. So previously I had ordered 5. I want to change that to 1, so I'm going to go ahead and enter a 1 in that section and then hit any one of these order buttons. Now if you scroll down, you'll see that I now have the 1 case where I once had 5, and then I ordered 3 cases of the additional item that I wish to order. And now my total number of cases is 240. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and hit the Add Change Complete and Continue with Order button, which now I'm back at the sales order review screen where I'm going to validate all my information is correct and accurate, and then I'm going to go ahead and submit the order. Now, until you hit the Submit Order button and you get to this Thank you for your order screen, your order has not successfully transmitted to Southwest Traders. So make sure you get to this screen and you document all this information listed out here. So if you can't write down or print out all of the information, just make sure that you notate your order number. In this example, it's 704-1007. But all the information here is good information to just go ahead and keep for your records. So that concludes how to successfully place an order using Southwest Traders' online ordering website.